This is a student transfer card. Transfer cards provide students with independent practice in transferring the skills they've been learning in instruction to other formats. Student transfer cards come in 6 different colors, coordinating with each chapter of the instruction. And for each skill, there are 12 different cards, so each student will have multiple response opportunities. Students can use transfer cards individually, in pairs, or even in small group centers. Here are some ideas for how you can use transfer cards with your students. First, you could give individual students a sheet of paper and a transfer card, and have them pick a column from the card to write and decode. Then collect their finished papers so you can check for understanding. You could also have students play 4 corners. With a whiteboard or paper that looks like this, have each student pick a word from the transfer card and write it in the middle circle. Then in each of the 4 corners, have them complete an activity. They could mark the word, draw a picture to represent the word, define the word, and use the word in a sentence. Another activity that students love is called Teacher-Teacher. Each student takes turns acting as the teacher, while the other acts as the student. The teacher will dictate a word from the card and use it in a sentence, and the student will write and decode the word. After each word, the students will switch roles and repeat. Or you could simply have students chorally read words from a few or all of the columns. Then have the student read the sentences at the bottom of the card for fluency and comprehension. No matter which activity you choose, the goal is for students to develop automaticity when reading, and transfer cards play a key role in helping your students master the skills they're learning in each lesson.